We've always believed that HVAC isn't just about equipment. It's about reliability, reputation, and trust in every installation. For years, contractors have trusted us to supply their projects. Now, we're taking the next step. We created AmericanStart, our own brand, built around the same values we stand for: quality materials, dependable performance, and confidence on every job site. Products designed by people who understand what installers actually need. Our disconnect boxes are built for safety and code-compliant installations, available in 30-amp fusible, 60-amp non-fusible, reliable switching, durable enclosure, confidence every time you power up a system. The AmericanStart wall mounting brackets, available in 2 sizes, deliver strong and stable condenser support. Powder-coated steel construction resists corrosion and vibration, helping you protect both the unit and your customer's property. Solid support you can trust. We also introduce our 100% copper insulated line sets, sized 1/4 to 3/8, available in 15 and 25 feet. Our PVC Line Set Covers provide a clean, professional finish while protecting refrigerant lines from weather and UV exposure. AmericanStart isn't just another label. It's our commitment from our warehouse to your job site that every product we carry meets the standard we would install ourselves.